Yo, salam alaikum. Ben, sane nara bare modol bina na nyaro. Ngal be kondo, ngal we tentu ngal jay. Mel mina programme o jibela. Da ñu do mangé ngana mbaru ngana to nice rendi ba dia because amange bo be programme nice rendi. Sanaja you nara specifically got address and a few people like him because there is no monopoly. Another one is pending. This one I will keep it at the level of Sana and his ilks. But we'll come to more substantive issues. Because I left a man now. Well, I left you want people to start talking trash. Ka si fata manzi kumolfo. And then call come ka logical exhibit many along kal kamul atumi wallela. But I'll tasso la wanifa. Atenya raju wanifa. I'll tasso la. Bari mbesana jumba expose la jandu mandi. Mol sala nyuma bari ay nyinke ay fenne kenu. I am money for demanding because I canal in video men play jang. I can't nene man yim for. Nenga confront in a mag general life like can nene mouth. So why don't you go at the Sanaka Fania for back? And just to be clear, let me do a little bit intro. I'm not against people who criticize me because social media is more control. You cannot control people as to what they should or will say about you or against you. So obviously more be criticized, and it's normal, you know. If you don't have critics, then I mean, what are you doing? But nandiro sana nenne. So akoma adol me mina jibela men ke fanki dimba falali. Sana la video na be up there, na video is up there. Mbella lamba sino lamba ulamba mbakala YouTube. Because sana ba kalam dalago. There is no monopoly over information. There is no monopoly over demo social media. Mo moment jara je gawol. No, bro. Sanaja you guys need to forget la. Abe live la, abe live la. Ama kalamata because I mena panga em block la. So na pare rabina la benta raja. So follow. La femme follow sanala kuro. Substantive is wolente dundu diamor. Wala MC Cham la tamo de kata China. Ani nene Freda Gomez. Nkombe fenel bon la fengo kono ba ñene da wala. Anyway. MC Eko blockchain ni and e-commerce ulbe kachagang MC taraje. Who in your right mind menga MC Cham la moy be believe la ko MC ya londo sotola ya knowledge sotola ya capabilities sotola to go for 20 days in China on a conference on blockchain technology and e-commerce. Ana to nya fanyo. Gambia local government election, local government councils, association of galga. Eboda nyokalamal. Ibe mo kila China. Eboda nyokalamal, of course. Molbe molki ade itole damale nominated national nominated council okay. Mayalam Fanako is not even a senior councillor, but the incompetence and corruption and favoritism and patronage in that. A concern highlight. If UDP wants to expel me because I am expanding on these issues, let them go ahead and expel me because Ibola Kumbogan say. Okay? But what these people don't know is, do you know who I am? I ask you. Do you know who I am? Do you think you can provoke do you think you can revoke my citizenship? Any of these issues may be carrying. If you delete me from UDP or you invoke my Malabafanyadi. If you would expel me from UDP, you won't tell about Gambian news and my opinions and what that nafanga UDP from a bus when it's unnecessary. Maybe I'll speak a little bit more. So that I mean, Sananyo Law child is Sivalu. I just want them to understand because you cannot revoke my citizenship. And I want you to know, Ko Sana, all of you who are saying when if I say useless citizens, a useless member. Ntaka menke nkame spend on UDP. Sanaja yute bukake. Ita ning even bekere ne kake. Ntaka menke no UDP. Nga fengol menke UDP nata baraka fasa mbi UDP be na fakala. Sanaja yute mauge. No. Minta wandiva as a teenager, I won medals for my country. I am a very proud Gambian. Hate me. I'm a very proud Gambian. Nga medalo le win Gambia. As a teenager, that's how productive I am. So if you disagree with me, that's your bread and butter. I'm not your ordinary, Sana Jaju type of person. But Sana, Madungala yung video play jam because let me I think I need to open Mark Sao because I find and I need someone in Karomin, I need to respond to him. Mark Sao, Madunga post out of Fenanga Fura because you will deserve Mark Sao, Madunga Sa post because I may read the relevant part left out already. Sana so mo fula lebe ni suko nga sim fulan kana wala sini to sa tungo kan ngi fura lura. Sana Jaju and Mark Sao the all rest maybe yam block lembi ke bar mini alon ko yen neng ngi sute mol kono ko to mu UDP at any prominent member of UDP yen neng mine normale ngi woto kendeke. No, Mark Sao is a hypocrite. Mark Sao is dangerous. Mark Sao, let me show you what he wrote. Mark Sao Mensabe. These are dangerous idiots. You know what they want to do, yeah? Ñu kala file comme ni to lela kolke. Ni to na reko be respond la ya fako he albe barole ma ko kan albe patiyole tinya kan pour ite se day itola agenda they keep promoting it in peace at kebu dinna. Na fiki denno. So now let's go to Mark Jare. Mark Jahanabadin Sao. At the last paragraph, because I first one on these people are disgustingly ignorant and tribalistic at core. All they do is going after decent people. So tribalistic. Again, they cannot advocate for Talib without invoking tribe. They cannot. They just lack the ability to advocate for Talib without invoking tribe. Mark Sao like an ignorant fool. Mbe sinda tora tosa tun kana nge fura ura Mark Sao ndelafo. Mbe sinda tosa tun kana nge fura ura kendeke. Mampare bala mbato. Let me the other one is Sana Jaju file. Left all the play there. So Sana na rai kuma jamal I will respond to those things later. But I want to play play an audio for you, a video for you here. Prale alan jumal en sanad. Ulukenyi.
But sometimes some ko dale kurpo fa ñu kan signature. Al ko ñu respecté al ko ñu lo dlalone al kanal na do move la ñom ñoy ñaame
abenyum fo kan dame whenever I was not there, whenever I was not part of the conversation kanyum fo on the dadiji, but kanyum for some reason Nene Freda Gomez was involved because Nene la problem in UDP, they are not seeing that Nene is all part of almost all these recent brouhahas. Munu bekere
for the forward let's call a spade ñun même bébé lo kafi comme de la dabo comme mental la do comme mandinka ya fasa wala ya sabu be tinyaro sama dam pati ko because le mandin ko man ko dama lente UDP marala ite lo mandin ko le la dabo de mandin ko lente UDP marala sana I'll spend all this
to be honest I don't believe that yalo tell a problem I think these people they have their own yalo everything will come out but I don't think what they are doing it has nothing to do no. These people I have their we will talk later but I don't think it has anything to do
okay. Yeah, malako mo kamen bege maninka agenda. Just because I've left them in a Talib. Let's listen to another Sana Jaju.
MC Chanbe GDC. The man the UDP mama la fala no play na UDP.
Abe MC la different kanja.
Yeah. Talib ya samu na UDP. Ya condemn because of muna wala tonya fanya because of tribalism. Man mo la fami fan jawoti. Nene Presa Gomez, the man left I tell the party because she's an asset.
Exactly.
Talib ya samu na UDP wala ba soti ande kana UDP la ye condemn based on tribalism.
Yeah.
Man din ko dama lenta UDP ñaton kaya ni Omar Bunyul ko wala prince. Ni sambu sedu ñoy def taw damal. Dama ko do wada bu bodé man din ko la fa ñanta ci laji. Ko man din ko la tamu UDP. Ko man din ko la tamu gandet.
They're making noise on social media. I'm telling you that, yeah?
It's all about tribalism.
No, 95% of them is not confident. UDP have come.
But ko dal problem ñoy. Man din ko la tamu UDP, man din ko la tamu gandet. Man din ko ñu bala fa tamu UDP.
Ya moy la man din ko len. Ya moy la. Ni mo kulom balding mo barakanten len même ama fongona fa mam mo na fa. 3 months ago, sorry, na network wala mamantano. 3 months ago, Sana Jaju nyimfo. Whenever I was not part of the discussion. But again, in defense of who? Nene Freda Gomez and MC Jam. Sana Jaju benyu wuri afoka wala. Mbapile la ko daga. So akanye William atata siaba William yala sana ko nga ku claim miraje. And I really feel, because I have a conscience, I really feel bad about it. The fact that whatever I'm gonna say about him, probably the wife will see it. We malu nu sana la ko wala nanu nin sana nyanda jamo so la juna bari nga bula nunje. Alega do nane to wolda. No matter YouTube, I will go to video nyamba. I think I will upload the video on YouTube later, not now. Ismail, jamu Facebook live later. Facebook da mambol. Imagine sana nyolu ko ani wo Mark Jana ke ba solima membe sirin Angleterre wo boy solima membe sirin Angleterre e control be sifa tam fansi yalla just because ite ne molta nyo sabano la principle ka wala na nyimo sifal politiko no Gambia nyine fa Gambia politiko betinya ite dake no la any conversation no me yalon ko diamo lo me yalon ko we are talking about principles and democratic principles for that matter. They can never participate in it. All they can do is come with their divisive idiocy. It is more criticized no lema fa ko ile insio de ile but another nan be he boiled down to personal sana ga kan dene ita buga malu yela kurto ko non ngela muso nyala wolum fonte fama bala fate I swear to Allah me moto borondol fo mina takiro gala wolum ye sana ne yala muso ika ke ya doada afon comment section ko no ala muso ngalon ka ala muso nyaajele billahi wala I felt so disgusted wolunga ngamuto I swear ngamuto lon lete ngam ko lan na fen ko kan I was screaming. I was embarrassed. Biuka kata luwa ka kantele neng. Ikalo mina ko hisan emotional wreckage. Wala nyindi ko birana ta fanga ya fa ila ko akata man tanen dirka. Ako fo sam fo mo sa man tanen dirka. Obere jana ray ne ndirok. Akaka jumal ne ako wandifa. Wandifa yamne gel. La même chose, let me mute you. Ni la defana no. Ibe profile o telefon la ibe profile picture telefon ne nyada soute if you come here me soute mbe block la mbe mute la ne live banda nge check ni ngaje ko profile ku to mo nge block. You don't come to my live and talk trash there. So ni sana jaayu ni ne ka kata Facebook ya live yele akaka ndelene. An idiot, a bigot, a tribalist idiot like this one. Me along kakasi akafu moleko stuff for I haven't take that back. Despite I'm angry at him, I'm not calling. I don't want to call him a tribalist idiot because that's not my approach. So I take that back. But he's an idiot. Me along kakamol accuse tribalism la for any kind of disagreement with people. Me along ni wala mantra kugele. And coming back to the recent issue, wala nangkon. In fact, UDP yadam bay. For all I care, my Gambian citizenship, nobody can revoke that. Not even President Adama Barrow and his parliament. Nobody can revoke that. And that's the most important tool that I need. My citizenship. I'll come on for them. Bataraya. Kafo mole ko atul nyandal da bitilale. Nana ma keba solima be siring America Yunus Hydra mo kulambal dingo aba siring am Angleterre. Ali America go dinni won lel babulu men bita TikTok e kata Facebook live e kata TikTok live leje e kata fengo. If those people even subscribe to the principles of democracy and freedom, dignity and integrity, they will not talk about certain incompetent people abroad. Ikela deputy mayor of in Gambia. The deputy mayor is there. This is what they don't want to tell you. The deputy mayor is sitting in the Gambia. Mayor of telling you Tamala. Amandra Fena Sasata la Tuswana Blumata Mudari. Imo ki. Ita that patronage in Freda Gomez la. Mayor is a 4-year councillor. Ita ne menu bebe Gambia Banko kan. Nimbe diamle ka fo bayo son commentaire ba. Bayo ning talib le bentaje ba. Bayo ning chairman dole bentaje. You don't even need to know what Bayo went for. Nyindo mol be la chairman ol ni la vice nyon leki. With the exception of Janjambure. For whatever reason malo munekira, they sent a councillor. But at least elected councillor. Talib tade nyung fenkela ya samba mo criticize kan. Just the day after Nanama Keta o Keba Solima Ambassador in America, atara video ele kabula Keba fenkela lawyer dabola. Ani Yunus Hydra. Mammo cotton for it. But any non-member of UDP may and Mina and Neng Adiata Nyameng. Yemen noje, you can go and do it. Mammo do for it. But any non-member in UDP, you go to Facebook yele kantele neng. Yela Facebook mala wale comment yele puru yental neng. Mbe bula mbina ya Kenya mbakela wala nyam. Fatolan Jumat. Sana jaj. Ide karambali futabali idiot. You are a depressed idiot. Ni munu fenti to mi ibe ñu situation no men ko ite tarafole fay wato you better go and seek help. How many times you announce that you are going to quit politics? Ngamre to e fang nyamandi jane côté boda UDP TV and media na côté da Facebook live mo fon bela yu bodaje. Bari nene buka conversation no sodo no ever ima fo moleko and this is my problem with you alma fo moleko atol ma al kan karñol criticize tribe le kan fo juma nan talib Ahmed Bensouda di aduna next one on man pare al balade next one on kana directly to talibia nal mom fatal man tele juso jata tolti atol tente control lano andal te mo fo sot non men te control lano because nte ngab ben fo ngalo nako wala bento nte man ken nafikiti mo bugante ki mo bugante bula kula ngakilo be mbalale I am even disappointed with a lot of people. Many alonko, they want to trivialize this into Wandifa attacking, but they are not looking into the opportunity that you can get from sending a competent person to go and get engaged in that 21 or 20 days conference on e-commerce and blockchain technology. Your funding opportunity lambo fola talib ñu talib le problem oti. It is not just the fact that nepotism and corruption happens. It is the fact that they want you to shut up anytime you want to talk about it. But let me not go too much into that. I will come after him. Nala di neol kota mbula nda fananta bulala. Nte nata la afero be nyobala mol be by the way. Elected official, I will hold you to account at the highest level. And I will not back down for any idiot like Sana Jaju or Mark Sao. Fatherly, I mean, you can monopolize what Allah Fania for. It will not die down if they don't leave me alone. If I criticize a public official, you criticize me, that's fine. But you go and open a Facebook like insulting me, that's unacceptable. That cannot be the norm. If you insult me, I come after you, I show you what kind of idiot you are. And emotionally, this fact, MF, ya la kurto kono, neng kala kurto kono doyatale ya neng. I felt so disgusted and man participate what didn't would lato because ye mem fo jadiat ap ko yata nyele. Fo man de no ngamo kol ngai dia mu carrière avant kamala la dang rolo benate makana nyingi ko tek. Ngai ko fakana nyim fo ko tek. Mo ga nyim fo social media. Wo mo kilimo wala nata ko tek biya ka e ba fandale. Surahara bongo don't try to even make this place your entertainment place. Surahara Jana. Surahara Fati, if you respect yourself one bit, because if you don't go out to Seattle, yet I diamo sanaja you idiot here. That motherfucker may along go well I intending on social media. Naman nimanta diamo you want to talk to me here, I will embarrass you. I will come for you. Any non-member of UDP in call for it. If you insult me, I'm coming for you. That idiot, that maniac. Kasi ala bungo kona kantene. Ngamune kala. How many people criticize me, or even my own friends, my own family members, they criticize me. Did I insult MC Cham? Yalan, these are the fools in politics. Did I insult MC or did I insult Nene Freda Gomez? But I played this audio for you because I molka to jila dolbe sella. So Surahara, put your jokes aside. Don't even try. Because Mejije, Ngala Life Jibele Mejije, telling him the truth. So be careful, try to come here. Be careful. Because I know you are in Seattle, you know about Sanajaju and you know Sanajaju. So don't even I don't want to spend a minute on you on this live. This is not for you. Completely. This is not for you. This is not for you. So at all substantive issue be caring alkalte diamula. The maniac, Sanajaju, and that Mag Saho, the rest maybe one time also call you because I was busy in the evening. But any prominent member of UDP, any one of them. Because at the end of the day, I will not allow you to bully me into submission. I will not allow it. Any prominent figure, if you insult me, I'm coming right after you. Fatal Damala, Mag Saho, listen, karambal futabal mo bayring sifal, nilel fong kamol baran in a political corner. Just yes, and this man cannot even explain anything to you why he likes Talib. Nothing. He cannot explain nothing as to why he even liked Talib. He cannot. Just some fancy stuff, like maybe. That's it. And people want to help Talib. They don't want you to help him at all. Because critics are good in a way. Critics are good in a way. Salmara Juf ngeje di other place le boy tenante nyakuno la boy ngeje le di other place kamem be fo ngaje so ndeba kule ndemo ngamo jamale long la ofeli fengol bename. So if you are trying to come here to play sweet can I've seen some of you what you've said at the other side when sana open live kanteneng sana jaju me yalon konte wandi fa nakato kono ngado ngamol me yalla ngela sutura ngela kullo la kurdo kono sutura ñun social media nganyo bela taking extra miles nga ke jan ndeka tara siri nay bunko danya suto gambe dindi wol nay laptop ko ngay tandele jang mol bi je jol bembulu jang nke mu tanka be destroy mu ka fo moy ni mo brak Mu jamale la juol tata jam viral. Let me just tell you that be in case you don't know. Na futata ma. Ni nga mo ne fo ya futani ma. Nga dundi dula to damendal. Ndabu ka ket ndama tekno bari nga dula lo damendal ka mako nga destroy. Ana fo ne nga video fon kala no. Men kam follow they can remember this. Ngo ke dolie bi wol ko kantene. Kantene nga mo ne kela. Ite fan sutura le sila hajola. Mali bali kumung fallom balim. Kada si ka fo mo. Ta fo UDP ngol yambay. Corruption no ntel ngawle kong. Democracy, that's what we subscribe to. You insult me, you are a non-member of UDP, I come after your ass. Who are you? Who are you? Nana maketa Facebook kebaba. You know Sidra. And you have to ask yourself. You have to ask yourself, why is it that all the time ni UDP a successful congress soro? Ni UDP a successful congress soro. Nana maketa. Sorry, Yunus Haidara. Akanana, well, Ibrahim, I'm not even joking about this. Yesterday, I spent about 2 hours submitting files. What man can you do? What man can you do? These are very recent ones. I do that for free. Mbika kemoy. Because mfana ka asama dame. Lila rasul mo lang ka time out on the ways. But mutonya lang tapanya fla mo konka fenne joji. I'm not going to lie about that. So ite muna na faso to ila society. As a teenager, I won medals for my country. And I will wear that badge every day and anytime I go. Hanim father, former national athlete, wale father, sana jaju. Nida father UDP fal dingo wale father. B. Ninda father former national athlete wale father. Ninda father B. Former national athlete wale father. Me ya lonka nene me dololo win Gambia. Nida father sana jaju B jumala father bahalo follow mo wulu dingo wale father. Iman ke fenti Gambia, iman fenna fa Gambia. Alpha Labina network interrupt like cancel. No amount of call can make me stop it. Sana will have to go and delete his idiotic video. Then anunde mbella lamba wula romenta samala YouTube. Ndala barata sanat. Fo sana la nyumare. Kata ka Facebook yela kantenen. Kalo ya afang la afang contradiction. Ka fa ya content na jenne na da kayra dala manta nen dirgala. Atata kabul. Nga understand ka regret all fo na left abaya no ko no. This cannot be the norm. Nien neng I will come after you your ass. Who is this? Who are these people? You can be more productive than me. Ndanga men noite onol ite sana jaju ngenyi ninga ndanga men noite fete amana ñi militant ci ñi meeting di dango ron kay len gis mal kawle na to le fenno alta to nya fo alla molie to mo sedi be Gambia abe basiri atondi Gambia man raf ñu gal respond ka ñun mo bokku mbali a post kanya fo kan coffee time nya sai what is the name of the guy again Sidi Njai to mo sedi man ta press conference. Why did Tomon say did not conduct a press conference to respond to Sidi Njai? Sidi Njai kame mfa dia tayo. Mbo fola. 1 second. Yala nyun. Okay. Ya menden sa nyan kaka grupo lele Gambians against tribalism. Imagine. Yala nyun be sifata sifansi ko men play ganda kala men tambal to fere. Let me play you another audio, the second audio of Mendeng. Bila nyinde. Ali Mira, who is playing the tribal card?
Tribalism is very bad for the country. In fact, we are putting children in a very funny situation. Whose mother is Mandinka, the father is Jola. Whose mom is Fula, the father is Wolof. Whose mom is Manjako, the father is Serahule. Whose mom is Serahule, the father is another tribe. So it's like we are going to make life difficult for these children. And it's high time we consider the pride of these children. Those children who are born to parents who are not from the same tribe. So it's high time Gambians to come together. And there is no better time than now, before elections, please.
Okay. So now you see Yamen and Sanya Bilanyan. They are already trying to say we are divided based on tribe. But these people fail. If sitting mama, so you cook at our WhatsApp group or form, reaching out to people like Lamin Tamba. Nena Freda Gomez for Ngala number from Fela. Nena Freda Gomez la number bijele. Yundola Manjara Lamin Tamba la number bijele. Ke Yukamba Manjara out of. Ila number bijele. Why are they into this kind of nasty politics? Alinga Yintonya la fonye. Boy, it can call. Can you just text me? Message on, I think message on Arabic load can, you know. Laptop problem is taking some time. If it's a relevant message, just text me. What is your problem? What is your problem? Ali amira ko, but anyway, I'll come back to you. Okay, bro, kana worry, iba cool. Nal mampare nyobala, sana jaju ite onite mampare nyobala, ite ni maxao. Maxao me amira ko ke ngomen kamunta ko malam bafla nyadi, ikamira ko malam Saudi princess kama anala nyung alhaji pare mo mane malam bafla nyadi, ikamira ko kamel wafila la madete. Nyong ko mo wafila. Mento jele la Facebook la ko daga mba tentendi la kana worry. I just want to be respectful to some people, but don't worry, inshallah, we'll continue this. Nali amira ko albe monopoly le sotla sana jaju. I'm coming for you. I will come for you. Itene momo me alan ko prominent UDP member, you think you can have a free ride at Wandifa? You are joking. You are sleeping. You are slumbering. Anu nalman alkana da wala alta UDP ali afa yambay. Alta wala because mela fila wala back alta ali afa yambay. Intala citizenship atol so wori fok no. As a teenager, ngami dalolo binna bankola. Let me repeat that for you. Alkana fal ben feala. Malef ka modo la kumo so bari after tumando baro me yala nga fale bottom up lem. Saying sama we are going up there. Kana worry.